Well, I'm feeling better today, and I'm out in the TrailManor, and I'm going to show you how to raise the walls for the restroom because I need to get in there. Well, let me show you. I need to get in here to take this track down and get this light down, and I got to get in there with a screwdriver and unscrew all that, but I can't do that with the walls down. So I'm going to put the walls up, take that down, and then I'm going to paint the ceiling. This is the last part of this color that I have to paint. It's kind of a yellowy color. And then there's the wallpaper came in for this, so I got to go pick it up, but not today. And here's the rest of it, all painted in white. And I love it. And I've ordered extra strong outdoor. This Velcro went up here, and the old Velcro was stuck onto this wallpaper stuff. Well, the old Velcro ended up tearing the wallpaper stuff off. That's why I had that big hole in here. So I'm just going to screw the new Velcro into the walls with little short screws. So you just lift it up, and like I said, it's not real heavy. It's a little awkward, but you just lift it up and then push it in. And then, I don't know if you can see, I'll just bring it over here. The door has a latch in here, so you just latch same kind of latch up here, so when I get the other side up, which I'll do right now, and hopefully you'll be able to see. Let's get you way back there. Again, not heavy, just a little awkward. You can pretty much do it with one hand. Just going to lift it up and then pull this door out, the wall out, and then it just clips. So there you have it. So you got a clip there that makes the door or the wall stable, and then there's a clip up here that, which I'm not going to do, but there's a clip there that makes the wall more stable. All I'm going to do today is take all these screws out, get this track down, and then paint the ceiling. And I saw a place back there I needed to touch up, but I don't remember where it was. Anyway, so in the past couple of days, took the center strip off the outside of the Manor, and I scrubbed the center seam really good, let it dry, and then I caulked it with a 3M, I think it's in the house, it's a 3M marine caulking. It's waterproof, it's UV. The reason I went with that instead of the Dicor tape was because I want the big thick Dicor tape down, and I didn't want to risk the Dicor tape peeling up like the wallpaper has peeled up. I'm not saying that it would do it, I don't know, but the marine caulking, or whatever it was called, the I don't know, because it stands up to the marine life, like salt water, sun, wind, that kind of stuff. I just thought that would be a little bit better. And because the new strip that I put up there, the decorative TrailManor strip, the plastic strip, it's in this kind of a shape. And the tape to stick it down was on either side instead of down the center. The old strips had the tape down the center. So when that stuff came, I thought, well, there's a big hole in there. There won't be anything physically covering up the seam where the two pieces of metal come together on the ceiling. So I got to thinking, there's not going to be anything physically covering that hole if that 3M tape that runs on either side of that track up top gets a break in it or something and water gets in there, it's going to go right for that seam and I'm going to have problems. So that's why I went with that 3M, whatever it was called. I'll get a picture of it and show you. So I did a pretty, not a thick bead of the caulking down the middle, but I did a healthy dose of it. I mean, when I pushed the little plastic piece down, it didn't ooze out or anything. But I do feel confident that that seam is, you know, caulked and covered very well. So that's why I went with that instead of the Dicor. When I finished painting 2 days ago, I knew I still had more painting to do. So instead of washing out my brush and washing out my roller, I covered them in a grocery bag. Let's see how they did. Oh, good. Yeah. Look at this. Look. Everything's still good and wet. So, yeah. Not too shabby. Okay. I got the light unscrewed and down. And I got my bucket of paint. So I've cut in the corners. And I've got a little roller that I'll do this with, the ceiling with. And then I'll redo this wall. I don't know, like I said, maybe it's just the lighting, but I'm going to redo it. Okay, so bathroom is done. Give you a quick look-see. Well, much better. The UPS man just came, dropped off a package. I think I know what it is, but it wasn't supposed to be here until, like, I think they said Friday. So we'll see. If it's what I think it is, I'm really glad because I need some of it. Yep.